happy birthday. I wish you more birthdays to come with good health. And laging magpakabait. I love you.
Happy birthday, Talia. Sana lumaki kang may takot sa Diyos, masunurin sa magulang, at maging mabuti sa iyong pag-aaral. Alalahanin mo na lagi kaming nakasuporta sa iyo ng mga ninong mo, anuman ang kakaharapin mo sa iyong paglaki. Muli, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Talia. It's me, your Ninang Nanette. Ang wish ko sa'yo, sana lumaki kang malusog, God-fearing at masunurin sa iyong mga magulang. Mag-aral kang mabuti, ha? Kung sakali dumating sa buhay mo na bumagsak ka o mag-fail ka sa mga school, ganyan, may magkaroon ka ng problema, huwag kang panghihina ng loob. Basta isipin mo, mag-pray ka kay Lord, magkaroon ka ng faith kay Lord para mag-succeed ka lagi sa buhay. Yan ha, maging mabait ka lagi ha, susundin si Mommy at saka si Daddy. Bye! Happy birthday! Enjoy your day! Love you! Mwah!
Happy birthday to my inaanak, Talia, and sorry, Ninong can't make it. Meron tayong important matter dito sa Cagayan de Oro right now. And I'm so blessed na maging part ng life mo as your Ninong, and patuloy kang magpakabait na bata at you may grow sa pananampalataya mo sa Panginoon, and lagi kang susunod sa iyong mga magulang, sa mama mo at sa papa mo, and always love them at pagputihin mo ang iyong pag-aaral. And nandito lang kami, nandito lang si Ninong, and pagka inaaway ka ng mami mo, sumbong mo lang sa akin, and you're always welcome sa aking tahanan, sa bahay ko. If may free time ka, pwede ka pumunta sa akin and mamasyal. I love you, and God bless you more, and enjoy your special day. You're so blessed kasi maraming nagmamahal sa iyo, especially yung parents, and God bless you more. Happy birthday!
Hi, Talia! Happy birthday! Be a good girl and study well. So, see you soon!
Hi, Talia. Ako si Ninong Michael, and I'm sending you this video from all the way across the world from a place called Dade City, Florida. I wanted to send this video to you with birthday greetings and let you know I hope you have a wonderful day full of joy and laughter and friends and good food and happiness all day long. So I don't know if you remember me, but I remember you. When you were just a little baby, maybe a year old, your mommy let me hold you. And I got to hold you, I got to talk to you, I got to feed you, and then of course, I got to fall in love with you. And now that I'm Ninong Mike, I want to let you know I wish I was here with you on your birthday, but I will be coming to see you next year. So until then, happy birthday, I love you, and I'll see you next year.